CHIGIH under cabinet lights, 88 LED rechargeable 3-color temperature for closets, under the kitchen cabinets and so forth, with a 1500 milliamp battery, dimmable wireless motion sensor, magnetic strip, a nightlight bar, a 2-pack. They have 3 kelvins, warm, cool, and coolest. Those are the temperatures. You get 2 USB A to C cords, 4 magnetic self-adhesive strips, an instruction manual, and very easy to hook up. Right behind the PIR sensor is the button to change from warm, cool, coolest. The USB charging C port, the off and 2 position switch, one to turn the light for sensor, and the other to turn it to be constant on. The self-adhesives are magnetic. You need to find where the magnet's on to the unit. As you can see, it slides. This is the best way to find out where they're located. If they do not go on the correct area, they fall off. So as we know where the magnet is at, now we're going to peel off and apply. Peel, apply. Turn on, choose the color you like, and when walking into the kitchen and you need to do your work, the light comes on. Now always make sure that the magnet's on there 100% in the clear area, and then you're able to do your work, and when you're finished and walk away, 30 seconds later, the light will be off. To dim the light, simply choose the color you want, and then long press the button. It goes down to a low brightness, and then off, and hold the button again to increase the brightness. Before using and after every use, you plug into a system that will allow to charge. The red light will turn green. And then you have many other uses, again, with your under cabinet lighting. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is right for you, for low light areas, going to the bathroom, you need to have light. Underneath your cabinetry, your workplace, I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.